That is the reason why we had to cancel.
Actually, yung announcement, sa Miyerkules, the day after tomorrow, ang dating Presidente Rodrigo Roa Duterte ay dadalo dyan sa Quad Committee hearing. Kaugnay dyan sa mga extrajudicial killing na yan. Kaya, yung mga may lakad sa inyo, cancelin nyo muna para mapanood nyo live.
Last night, para nakakita tayo, na-attend na raw sila. And ang problem natin dyan, we have already notified yung mga resource persons, especially yung mga galing sa Cebu, yung mga victims. And at the same time, meron po kami binibet na galing sa Isabela and I think one also from the north. And suddenly, naka-receive tayo ng mga ganong pronouncement that he will be attending. But of course, hindi pa naman po yun official na galing po sa former president that he will be attending on tomorrow's hearing. Unless and until that we have received any copy from him.
Hindi ba inimbitan si Presidente Duterte umaten sa Miyerkules at nagpadala siya ng sulat sa pamamagitan ng abogado niya?
Then, most likely. But it's hard to na makapag-ano na po tayo tomorrow because yung pronouncement and the invitation to other resource persons were already been canceled.
Dagdagan ko lang yung sinabi ni Kong Dan. No? Kahapon pa na-cancel na namin yung aming hearing. At 6:30 p.m., the Quadcom chairs have already informed the Secretariat to send out notices to all our members and to all our invited resource persons na hindi po natin matutuloy yung ating hearing ngayong Wednesday, no? At all these notices via email, via digital and Viber notices, pinadala na ho yan kahapon pa lang. And wala ho kaming wala ho kaming confirmation pa kung sino yung a-attend. Wala naman ho nagsabi sa amin na may a-attend na sa Wednesday because as early as yesterday, we have already sent out cancellation notices. Kaya wala namang nagulat lang kami ngayon na meron palang gustong umattend, no? Welcome naman po yan sa atin. Kaya lang, na-cancel na po natin. And just to let everybody know that we have already postponed it for November 21st. Thursday next week. So lahat po ng inimbitahan namin na kinancel namin ay iimbitahan ho namin ulit. Nang sa ganoon, mahaba-haba ho yung inyong preparasyon, mahaba-haba inyong oras para maka-attend dito sa aming Quadcom hearing sa next
Mr. Chairman, baka iniisip ko rin during the time that we have discussed that on Sunday, I think we finalized on Sunday. Baka may mga chairman na mole doon sa pag-uusap natin. Just kidding. Pero we already decided last Sunday pa po at pinormalize lang po namin yan kahapon. And that's the reason why we already have a meeting yesterday. Unfortunately, may mga gantong issue na darating daw po. And I think it's hard for us to really send invitation again to those who have been canceled resource persons.
And kung wala naman talagang kung wala naman talagang direct statement ang ating former president na darating siya, tingin namin propaganda lang yung lumalabas ngayon sa internet, no, sa social media na darating siya. Kasi gusto rin naming dumating siya dahil pinagbantaan nga niya yung mga congressmen na sinasabi niya sisipain daw niya, wala namang virtual kick. Diba? So, mas maganda sana dumating siya dahil willing naman si Chairman Dan na magpasipa sa former president.
virtual kick.
Tsaka napakahirap naman po kung na-cancel ng isang committee hearing. Para mag-imbita ka na naman, you need at least 3-day notice sa mga i-invite ninyo. So, masyado na pong short yung ilang oras. In fact, yung mga naging reason kung bakit po kami nag-issue ng subpoena for the second time, na re-issue po namin because we are following our rules dito po sa House.